Good day everyone! Ang tutorial natin ngayon paano ba gumawa ng YouTube playlist sa iyong channel. So first, punta ka sa iyong YouTube Studio at kailangan mo mag-login. Once na nakapag-login ka na, punta ka lang sa may left side and click the playlist icon. As you can see, meron na akong isang playlist dito. Kung gusto mo mag-add, click the new playlist. Okay, mag-create ka lang ng playlist title. So, sa akin, Shopee tutorial. So, nakakatulong to guys para organize yung ating mga video. Especially kapag may iba't ibang topic ka sa iyong YouTube channel. Well, pwede mo rin baguhin yung visibility nito, pero sa akin public. And then, just tap the create. Then, just click the playlist para ma-edit natin. Here, meron tayong 3 icon tools. Yung isa pang share, and here yung delete, kung gusto mo nang i-delete yung iyong playlist. And pencil icon para ma-edit mo yung playlist. Now, click the pencil icon para makapaglagay tayo ng description ng ating playlist. Once you are done, click the check at the right corner. To add a specific video, click the library at the lower corner. Then, you may now click your videos. And now, click the specific video that you want to add. Click save, and here you can see the option. You can save it to watch later or to add to your playlist. After you add, you can see the notification at the lower part of your screen. If you want to repeat that action, just click your channel name. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you and have a good day.